Hello, this is Linda from the DuchessKitchen.com. Welcome back to my channel. Today is the third day African cookie Palooza, and today we're going to Malawi. That's where we're going to get our cookie recipe from, sweet potato cookies. So I hope you guys will enjoy it. For the sweet potato cookies, also known as Mbatata, we're going to use sweet potatoes. We're going to need all-purpose flour. We're going to have raisins, brown sugar. We're going to have baking powder, some salt, a little bit of baking soda, cinnamon, and vanilla extract, and also melted butter. So I'll melt this butter later on. So for the first step, you peel, cut, and cook the sweet potatoes. So if you want to cook it very quickly, you cut them into pieces. If not, you can cut them as you can see me do in the video. So I'm going to wash this and just cook them till they are soft so that they can be mashed. We're just cooking it like how you make mashed potatoes. So whilst the potatoes are cooked but cooling down, I'm mixing the dry ingredient, which is flour, baking powder, baking soda, salt, and I'll whisk everything together and set it aside. So in a large bowl, I'm going to transfer my cooked and cooled sweet potatoes and mash them. If you have sweet potato which is mashed already, you can measure 1 cup, and that should be equal parts to what I'm having right now. And so I'm just using potato masher to mash it up and break everything into pieces. Then I'm going to add the rest of the ingredients, which is brown sugar. I'm going to add the eggs, melted butter, vanilla extract. Then I'm going to whisk everything together to form a mixture. I use the whisk because it's easy to mix everything together, especially with the egg. It whisks the egg as well, and also help the brown sugar dissolve, disintegrates into smaller sizes, unlike the wooden spoon. But I'll use a spoon to fold in or mix the flour as well. So right now I'm going to add the flour mixture I made earlier, and I'm going to stir everything for it to be combined so that there will be no traces of white flour um, in the mixture. And this is the time I add the raisins. Please, if you've reached this far, please like and subscribe. Thank you for the support. So as you can see, my mixture is almost done. What is left is for us to scoop them into a baking tray. My tray has been lined with silicone mats, which is easy to use. You can use baking sheets or butcher's paper as well to line your baking sheet to bake. So now the sweet potato cookies have been baked for 18 minutes and they've actually cooled. So I'm just going to transfer them into my serving dish here. So now this is our final product. I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of powdered sugar just for presentation. And then we have it. So this is our sweet potato cookies. from Malawi. I hope you guys will try it and let me know what you think. Thank you for watching.